एक इंजिन गोंयच्या लोकांचे बिझनेस करूंक सोदता तांचेर सगळो कायदो लागता, तांकां परमिशनां घेवची पडटा. आनी दुसरें इंजिन जें आसा जे दिल्लीचें इंजिन आसा थंयसान कोणूय यो बिझनेस कर, नो परमिशन, नो लायसन्स, नथिंग. यू आर फ्री टू कम, लूट अँड डू वॉट एव्हर यू वॉन्ट. हातून खुबशे जशें सांगलां आमचे लिडरान, खुबशे कायदे तांणी तोडलेले आसा. तो गॅस सिलिंडर म्हणटा पळय, देर इज अ पायरो गन which was used, which led to finally explosion of the gas cylinder and this tragedy. So whole lot of violations are there. थंयसर तर foreign dancers आशिल्ले, are there permissions taken to employ the foreign employees?
What did they say about security norms in place? Fire security norms in place?
That was never taken. That is what we have come to know.
So foreign delegation also is there inside?
We have seen now BBC is flashing all the news. They're showing that there were foreign dancers there. So that means they were employed.
So, what do we know about the permission? You're saying that there was no permission taken. Has that been confirmed by the police and the government?
That is what we have come to. The Chief Minister himself has told that there were no permissions taken. And if now what we have come to know from the members of the media that it was raised in the House in August, that raises more doubts that was there, we call it a setting, that one MLA of BJP will raise and the other MLA will strike a deal. Could be. Otherwise, why action was not taken? When the own members of the ruling party raised this question at 0 hour in assembly, then why action was not taken? That means there was connivance, there was blessing. And since the MLA of this constituency is also in the ruling party, that means it means a lot. There's a lot that is being hidden. And that is why when KIC that there has to be a judicial inquiry, I think so everything has to come out.
सर जी ऑथॉरिटी आता फेलियर झाली आता किती ऍक्शन जावपाक
गोंयभर हे लॉ अँड ऑर्डर हांवें पार्लमेंटान 2 फावट लास्ट विकान नोटीस दिल्ली डिस्कशन करपाक लॉ अँड ऑर्डराचेर स्पेसिफीक बरोवन लॉ अँड ऑर्डर फेलियर इन गोवा.
पण जेन्ना जेन्ना आमी पुलिसांक येतात तेन्ना पुलीस सांगता की लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन कॉलेज जावंकूच ना, सगळे सारखे आसा, सगळेच बरें आहा.
सगळे आसा न्ही. दॅट शोज वॉट इज हॅपनिंग. ओपन डेकॉयटी जाल्ल्यो, मर्डर, रेप, ड्रग्स सगळे जाल्ले आसा. थँक्यू.